Are you a business owner looking to upgrade your website? Is your business losing potential customers because your website is old and outdated? Having a website isn't just about selling and promoting. It's also about providing value to your customers and building the credibility of your business. If you don't have a website or you're using a 10-year-old design, you are losing business. You need professional website development services, and that's where we come in. With a team of highly experienced marketers and designers, we pride ourselves on creating beautiful, professional websites that actually help growing businesses. From coding and design to content building, integration, tracking and managing. We will take care of everything so that you can truly focus on your business. So if you're ready to have a website that acts as your 24/7 virtual sales representative, contact us today to see how a great website can help grow your business.